Authentise has introduced a new feature allowing you to produce multiple pieces together as an assembly, thus creating a final product. When scrolling down on your order page, instead of line items, you will now see product groupings. The product is a new level of order information within the order module, primarily made from one or more assemblies. Within the product, you have an overview of its contents, such as assembly name, type, and the line items included. To add a product to an order, you can simply select your product file or drag and drop it into your browser. The system will automatically unpack the product file into the required assemblies and assembly items, which will be manufactured to produce the product. If you don't have your own integrated assembly format, such as 3MF, you may use our built-in product or assembly creation tool to structure your individual models into a formatted product or assembly. These files can then be used to create products and assemblies within the Authentise platform. Work instructions may be added manually by using our existing interfaces to describe assembly instructions at the assembly workstation. There will be two main types of assemblies: physically assembled, also known as standard assembly, and co-printed. Co-printed assemblies are a special type of assembly that should be familiar to those using multi-material printing processes. It's a multi-body design that is printed within the same print job and typically produces an integrated final product. These are often used for applications where multiple materials, often having different colors, are used to distinguish specific characteristics of the combined co-printed product. For example, a clear model of a hand that has red and blue blood vessels integrated within the hand. Learn more about Authentise's platform and its features in the upcoming videos.